Hey everybody, Pourman here, day 4,279 of isolation. And I don't know about you, but Pourman is ready for this to be over. So while everybody else was out stocking up on toilet paper and disinfectant wipes, Pourman was traveling in a different direction. He was stocking up on different stuff, different sanitary stuff. So, he went big and then he went home. So, a couple of weeks back, this girl turned 21 in isolation. It was in Europe somewhere, I think it was in England. And for her 21st birthday, they did a pub crawl in the house. And each separate room had a separate drink, and they had a separate name for each of the drinks. One of the drinks caught Pourman's eye, and so they called it the Long Isolation Iced Tea. You might be able to just barely read that. It's been a long isolation, so bear with me here. So that is what we are going to make today in celebration of isolation. All right? Without further ado, let's get into this bad boy and let's get making stuff because we need it. All right. Just like a regular old Long Island, we're gonna throw the kitchen sink at it. Vodka. And grab the biggest glass you can, full of ice. And take this straight out to the pool. All right, we're gonna do an ounce. We're going big. Going big, then we're going home. All right, ounce of vodka. Just regular old garden variety vodka. We're gonna do an ounce of rum. All right. Normally you would probably use a silver rum for this. Desperate times, and your old pal Jerry. If I only had some SoCal rum, but that's hard to come by. You don't just find it on any street corner. But if you're lucky, ask your local Total Wine or Lee's Liquors or whoever your Bevmo is, see if they've got it. But in the meantime, there we go. Ounce of rum, ounce of gin, whatever you got. Again, whatever you got is just gonna have to work. We're in isolation and desperation. Ounce of gin. Por favor, senor. Absolutely. And we're gonna do an ounce of our pal tequila. Boom, here we go. And again, oops, went a little large. Whatever. That's why you have a big glass, okay? There is a little bit of waste there, but I'll probably be licking that up when we're all done. So what makes this one different? All right, you have your normal ingredients, and I'm gonna use Grand Marnier. Works pretty well, only about half. You don't want to overpower the flavor of this, and Grand Marnier has a great flavor. It's just great. And then what we're gonna do, 3 ounces of Coke. Very similar to your standard Long Island iced tea recipe, with the exception of the Grand Marnier. So, and again, your portions don't have to be exact. 1, 2, there you go. Or as Tony calls them, glug glugs. So, there you go. So we got that, and boy, we are just slopping it all over the place. Now, the other thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put in 3 drops of bitters. Gives it just a nice little flavor. So 1, 2, 3, boom, bingo. All right, now we're gonna roll this. Already pre-iced our shaker, see that? Already pre-iced our glass. You don't want to shake this up. See the carbonation, you gotta make a mess. So just gently roll this back and forth a little bit, and look at that. Looks just like iced tea. I rest assure you though, this version will not taste just like iced tea. Maybe kind of like lemon iced tea, but at the end of the day, we got our big glass here, our big ass glass here. Boom, come on, look at that. Man, that is good. All right, so the Long Isolation Iced Tea. I don't know about you, but Pourman is ready for this bad boy to end. No garnish. Again, we got no time. Desperate times, desperate measures. 3, 2, 1, and that is surprisingly tasty. Very good. As a matter of fact, I gotta tell you, I'm starting to feel better. I'm starting to feel a lot better. This is wonderful. You know what? I think I'm ready to head out. Take this out to the pool. If you want the recipe, just go to Pourmanmike.com and push this button right over here. Instantly become a Pour Minion, which gets you ahead of the line speed pass for each and every new Pourman episode and some other cool free stuff that you're about to find out about. So, till next time, pour well, pour often, pour man, pour on. We're out of here.